Here the question is, what is the source of the light that comes from Spirit? Well, the Spirit is the highest energy, the supreme energy that dwells in any realm of the continuum. It is present as light. It is present as sound. It is present as infinite energy spread in all directions. When that light is stepped down, it's the fire, the living force that gives initiation, that unfolds the soul, that burns away karma. It's the power that grants illumination and enlightenment. It's the power that saves the spirit and imbues the spirit with love. It's the power that guides the attentional principle. It's the power behind healing. It's the power behind transformation of human character. It's the power that gives life to the soul. So when we say, why is it that I don't experience the Spirit? If it's omnipresent, if it's acting in all these different ways, how come I don't experience it? And that's because the Spirit exists behind all of the karma that you have in your unconscious mind. So you have all this darkness inside of you. And on the other side of all that darkness is the Spirit. But you don't see it because the Spirit is insulated. It's covered up. It's covered up by your own darkness. The Buddhists call this avidya. They call it ignorance. The ignorance that comes from desire. The ignorance that comes from craving. The ignorance that comes from anger and all of the negative passions. And so as you begin to unfold your spiritual potentials, you begin to remove that curtain of darkness. And when you remove that curtain of darkness all the way, when you burn all of that up, you'll discover behind that curtain of darkness, the Spirit dwells. It's always here. In the Bible it says, the light shineth in the darkness, and the darkness couldn't comprehend the nature of the Spirit. It knew it not, it understood it not. So there's never a time in which the Spirit is not present. But the way in which we connect with the Spirit is when we have someone who is established in that light, who can send that light to us. And that being is what we call an initiate. We can encounter initiates in many different traditions. We can encounter initiates in the planetary hierarchy or the cosmic hierarchy, the cosmic masters, or the yogi preceptors, or the gurus of each supercosmic path, or of the transcendental paths. They are initiates, they are vessels of the Spirit. And if we connect to them, they will help us make our ascension within their realm, within their domain. And they'll guide us and they'll help us so we can begin to burn up that karmic residue that karmic barrier, so that eventually we can reach the state where we too can become instruments of the Spirit, where we too can speak the word and it becomes a living force, a divine force.